Ever looked at your Housecall Pro customer list and thought, this is more chaotic than a squirrel's nest after a hurricane? You're not alone. Duplicate customers? It's like finding a four-leaf clover in a desert. Annoying, right? So, let's dive into the burning question. Can you actually merge these pesky duplicates into one sane customer profile? Let's face it, duplicate customers are the uninvited guests at your business party. They crash the system, confuse your team, and generally make your life a whole lot harder. But fear not, because we're about to spill the beans on whether Housecall Pro can be your knight in shining armor and rescue you from this customer chaos. First things first, why do these duplicates even exist? It's like a cosmic joke, right? Sometimes it's a data entry error. Other times it's a customer who's a little too enthusiastic about booking services. And let's not forget about those mysterious cases where customers use slightly different names or spellings. It's enough to make your head spin. But enough about the why, let's talk about the how. Can you actually merge these customers into one happy family? The short answer is, yes, you can. Housecall Pro has a feature specifically designed to tackle this customer conundrum. It's like having a magic wand for your customer database. Now, before you start clicking buttons like a mad scientist, let's talk strategy. The key is to identify those pesky duplicates. Housecall Pro actually has tools to help you with this, but a keen eye never hurts. Once you've got your suspects lined up, it's time to perform the merging magic. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process, from selecting the customers to be merged to double-checking the information that will carry over. We'll even show you some tips and tricks to make the process as smooth as possible. Trust us, it's easier than it sounds. But wait, there's more. Merging customers isn't just about tidying up your database. It can actually boost your efficiency and improve your customer service. Less time spent searching for the right customer means more time for what really matters, growing your business. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to customer chaos and hello to a streamlined, organized customer list, then this video is your golden ticket. Let's dive in and conquer those duplicates together. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy merging.